So hear me out. I went to a couple of tech meetups and met some developers here and there, and at the same time explore the YouTube page of other developers, other YouTubers. And one thing that I've noticed is that each developer is different. Shocker, huh? And then I saw some patterns with the different types of developer that I met and watched on YouTube. And the developers have different goals in their development career. And I came up with 3 types of developers. I know there's a lot of types of Flutter developers out there. No one type is better than the other. There is just a better framework. Let's get started with the first type of developer, visual coders. I put myself in this category. So these are the people that do speed code or UI challenges that wants to replicate a design into code. So usually these people have code UI challenges in their YouTube channel. Honestly, if I have 24 hours, I will learn some UI and UX skills because I want to have creative control over the app design and also the control over the app development. And also they like animations. I love animations. It makes the app so much more lively and much more interesting. So these 2 are the things that visual coders focuses on. The UI part and UX part of the app, and also the animation that makes it a little bit better. Second types of developers are called Flutter debaters. What I mean by debaters, they would normally say one state management is better than the other. They would say one code generation package is better than the other. They would argue this folder architecture is better than that folder architecture. So in general, they believe what they preach and they have practiced it. They may be open to new ideas, but it will take some time for them to know that providers is just all you need. I kid. Jokes aside, so these debaters give opinions that challenges what have been implemented, and they are usually the contributors or the creators of some packages, whether it's popular or not. They don't stand on what have been done, but they believe on what can be done differently. And lastly, the educators. These are the people who spend countless of hours and hours, minutes, days to create articles and videos for us newbies who wants to learn the vast knowledge of Flutter or development. They usually saw how beneficial it was to convert an SVG to Flutter code, and they made a video all about it. I'm just kidding. In all seriousness, I think we can agree to those people who constantly give out content or free tutorial on the things that we want to learn or to implement to our projects or to our job. And I honestly think that these people help me a lot and maybe help you guys in helping the journey of us Flutter developers. So let's give them a hand. Honestly, I think they helped a lot in the Flutter community. And that's all for me. I know I have missed a lot of types of developers, like speakers or side projects or whatever. Everyone who shared or contributed to the Flutter ecosystem, even if you just create your first Flutter project, you have helped the Flutter community gain its traction as being a framework that we all enjoy. And with that, I will really say thank you. Thank you to anyone who helped in terms of the Flutter ecosystem. Yeah, good job. So out of these 3 types, are you a visual coder? Are you a debater? Are you an educator? Leave in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more of this video, subscribe. Stay safe in this self-isolation time and have a nice day. Bye-bye. And a disclaimer, no one type is better than the other. No one type is better than the other. God damn it. No one type is better. No one type is. Oh wow, to replicate a design in becoming a Flutter and that's all for me. I know, and that's all for me. However, everyone who shared contributed to the Flutter Open.